Patrymau iaith diwrnod 4. Ynys Môn 1. Canolradd. Day 4 language patterns. Rhif 1. Gorffennol yr amodol. The past conditional. Before using a more complicated form, it is important to recap how the conditional is used in Welsh. The conditional uses a form of bod, bason. It expresses would. Mi faswn i'n hoffi byw mewn castell. Faswn i ddim yn hoffi byw mewn castell oer. Fase ti'n hoffi cael gweision? Here is the full pattern. Mi faswn i. Mi fase ti. Mi fase o. Mi fase hi. Mi fase ni. Mi fase chi. Mi fase nhw. Faswn i ddim. Fase ti ddim. Fase o ddim. Fase hi ddim. Fase ni ddim. Fase chi ddim. Fase nhw ddim. Faswn i. Fase ti. Fase o. Fase hi. Fase ni. Fase chi. Fase nhw. Baswn. Na fason. Baset. Na faset. Basai. Na fasai. Basen. Na fasen. Basech. Na fasech. Basen. Na fasen. Very often there is a second half to the conditional sentence, the part containing the if, the condition. Mi faswn i'n byw mewn castell taswn i'n frenin. I would live in a castle if I were king. Notice that these two halves can go in either order. Taswn i'n frenin, mi faswn i'n byw mewn castell. If I were king, I would live in a castle. To remember the pattern, think of the word tiff. T plus if to remember that taswn is a conditional if. Mi faswn i'n prynu castell taswn i'n gyfoethog. I would buy a castle if I were rich. Mi fasai hi'n hoffi cael gweision tasai hi'n byw mewn castell. She would like to have servants if she lived in a castle. Here is the full pattern. Taswn i. Tasai ti. Tasai o. Tasai hi. Tasai ni. Tasai chi. Tasai nhw. Taswn i ddim. Tasai ti ddim. Tasai o ddim. Tasai hi ddim. Tasai ni ddim. Tasai chi ddim. Tasai nhw ddim. There are other words that can be used in the conditional. Should, would like, and could. Mi ddylwn i. I should. Ddylwn i ddim. I should not. Ddylwn i. Should I? Mi hoffwn i. I would like. Hoffwn i ddim. I would not like. Hoffwn i. Would I like? Mi fedrwn i. I could. Fedrwn i ddim. I could not. Fedrwn i. Could I? This then gives a short form pattern of endings for the conditional to use. Un I. Et ti. I o. I hi. En ni. E chi. En nhw. Now we are going to learn how to use the conditional in the past tense. Should have. Could have. Would have. shoulda, coulda, woulda. To say we have done something in Welsh, we use wedi. For example, dwi wedi gweld the castell. I have seen the castle. Notice that wedi always goes with a form of bod. Dwi, I am. Mi ddylwn ni, I should. This is not a form of bod. Therefore, to use wedi, we also have to add in a bod for the sentence to make sense. For example, mi ddylwn ni plus bod plus wedi. Mi ddylwn ni fod wedi. I should have. Ddylwn ni ddim plus bod plus wedi. Ddylwn ni ddim bod wedi. I shouldn't have. Mi ddylwn ni fod wedi gweld y castell. I should have seen the castle. Ddylwn ni ddim bod wedi gweld y castell. I should not have seen the castle. This works in exactly the same way for hoffi and medru. Mi hoffwn ni fod wedi gweld y castell. I would like to have seen the castle. Mi fedrwn ni fod wedi gweld y castell. I could have seen the castle. Rhif 2. Tagiau. Tags. It's cold, isn't it? We're used to hearing these question tags at the end of sentences. They are a good way to keep the conversation flowing and to sound more natural. For example, mae hi'n bwrw glaw today. It's raining, isn't it? Ydy? Yes, it is. They look just like the yes, but with a t at the start. Some people say dirty or even dyddy, but they all mean the same thing. It's important to say them with a rising intonation because they are a question. Mae'r castell yn enfawr today. The castle's huge, isn't it? The plural form is tydyn, just like the plural yes, ydyn. Mae'r plant yn dawel tydyn? Ydyn. These tags can be used in the past tense too. Roedd y tywydd yn ofnadwy oedd? Oedd. Roedd y siopau ar gau tydden? Oedden.